Google Pixel 11 might be more than just another addition. It could mark the beginning of a new era for Google's flagship phones. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your Tech Hub. According to the latest rumor, Google's currently testing a MediaTek M90 modem alongside its upcoming Tensor G6 chip, a move that suggests that Google may finally ditch Samsung's Exynos modems for good. While the switch was teased for 2025, it never happened, but now in 2026, we might actually get it. If true, this would be the first major shakeup in Google's hardware partnership since the original Pixel, and the benefits could be big, like faster 5G speeds, improved satellite connectivity, and better power efficiency. So far, official details about the Pixel 11 lineup are limited, but rumors point to return of the Pixel 11 Pro, Pro XL, and Pro Fold, which will all be powered by the Tensor G6, and with Samsung launching its Galaxy S25 Edge and Apple unveiling the iPhone Air, don't be surprised if Google introduces a new ultra-slim or minimalist Pixel variant. But the biggest story here might be the slow detachment of Google with Samsung in the chip department. If Google truly makes the switch to MediaTek, even just for the modem, it could open the door for a future Tensor chip fully designed and built without Samsung's involvement. Pixel 11 isn't expected earlier than August 2026, but the official countdown has begun. And if these leaks are true, we might be looking at the fastest Pixel yet. Are you waiting for Pixel 11 to drop? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.